Welcome to our video featuring the top 5 must-visit art and culture attractions in Arlington, Texas. Located in the heart of the Lone Star State, Arlington offers a vibrant and diverse art scene that is sure to captivate any art and culture enthusiast. Join us as we explore the best attractions the city has to offer. Our first stop is the Arlington Museum of Art. Housed in a beautifully restored historic building, the museum showcases a wide range of contemporary and modern art exhibits. From paintings to sculptures, you'll find a diverse collection that highlights both local and international artists. Explore the galleries and discover the rich artistic heritage of Arlington. Next, we head to Theatre Arlington, a premier destination for live performances in the city. From Broadway musicals to thought-provoking dramas, Theatre Arlington offers a diverse lineup of shows throughout the year. Immerse yourself in the magic of theater and witness talented actors bring stories to life on stage. Now let's visit the iconic Arlington Music Hall, a venue that has hosted countless legendary musicians and singers over the years. From country and rock to jazz and classical, the Arlington Music Hall offers a wide variety of performances that cater to different tastes. Experience the thrill of live music in this historic and intimate setting. For a unique blend of art and history, we recommend a visit to the International Bowling Museum and Hall of Fame. Discover the fascinating world of bowling and its impact on American culture. Explore interactive exhibits and learn about the sport's origins, evolution, and its famous players. This is a must-visit attraction for both bowling enthusiasts and history buffs. Our final stop is Arlington's vibrant public art scene. Throughout the city, you'll find an array of captivating murals, sculptures, and installations that add color and beauty to the urban landscape. Take a stroll through downtown or explore the various neighborhoods to discover these hidden artistic gems. Capture Instagram-worthy photos and immerse yourself in the creative spirit of Arlington. That concludes our list of the top 5 must-visit art and culture attractions in Arlington, Texas. Whether you're an avid art lover or simply looking to explore the city's vibrant cultural scene, Arlington has something to offer for everyone. Plan your visit today and experience the rich artistic heritage of this charming Texan city.